All right guys, it's been a while since I did an unboxing, but I got this huge package in from Stylecraft. Honestly, I have no idea what is in here, so let's open this thing up and find out. All right, so first off, we got a Rogue set, guys. This is basically the Ergo and the Evo trimmer in a bundle kit that's more affordable. And I believe it's kind of like a matte bronze. It kind of looks gold on the back, but on the front it looks a little bit more bronze. But guys, these are basically the same as the Ergo and the Evo. As far as I know, the difference in the Rogue is that it does not come with charging docks, just the cord. I'm probably not really gonna do an unboxing on this. You guys have seen these before, but I might do a little giveaway. Somebody can win this Rogue. All right, now this is what I was looking for. We got the new X Pro gold blades. This is the detailer style blade right here, and this is the TL liner style blade. So I had the silver X Pro blade and it was a beast, but now we got both of them. Want to test them out. And you guys know I'm always down with the Uno. You guys know this is my favorite single foil shaver to do little detail work around the C-cup and the back of the neck area. So definitely nice to have another one of these in the package. And we have another top for the one that I already have, a replacement top. It says slick foil on the bottom, so I don't know if it's any different. I think they're all the same, but we'll check it out later on. And this is what I'm excited about, guys. I've been waiting for this clipper. I didn't know if it was gonna come. We have the Gamma Boosted finally, guys. This is the Rebel basically from the Gamma side. So the Rebel is Stylecraft. This is the Gamma Boosted. A little bit different, but we're gonna get it out of the box and check it out. All right guys, so you can see Gamma Plus Boosted. We got black, red, and gold on the lids. Super torque motor. Let's see what else we can find on here. We'll go ahead and check out the back. All right, so we have a super torque 7200 RPM motor, black diamond carbon DLC fade blade for seamless cuts and blending. You guys know how I feel about the fade blades, so we're definitely have to throw a fusion on there. I think I'll take it off of my X Ergo since I don't really use it anymore, and we will throw it on the Boosted. 3 customizable levers, guys. It comes with a black, a gold, and a red lever if you want to switch it up. Tight or stretch taper bracket. You guys already know we're gonna throw the stretch bracket on if we throw the fusion blade on. 3-hour runtime with a 150-minute recharge. Charge in the stand or the dock, directly with standard charging cable or with micro USB cable. Set of 8 double magnetic guards, cleaning and maintenance kit, and 3 interchangeable body kits. So that's pretty much it, guys. You guys already know about the Rebel, and it is one of my favorites, so I'm really hoping that this thing is gonna be just as good. Obviously it should be, guys. This is pretty much the same clipper. A little bit different of a lid. It has this little, I think it's rubber, but we're gonna go ahead and get it out and check it out. But should pretty much be the same as the Rebel. Ooh, they knew it was for me. They sent it with the black one on there. All right guys, so there it is, the Gamma Boosted Super Torque motor. You guys can see we have this little rubber. It's not really rubber, it's just a different color black. Boosted on the front, we got some indicator lights on here. We do have the fade blade at the top. We're gonna go ahead and swap that out. It does have the click lever. Need to loosen that up a little bit tight. A little bit different of a switch here. This is kind of similar to the 1919 switch. But other than that, guys, it is exactly the same as the Rebel in the hand. It feels pretty much just as lightweight. But let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. Whoops, I didn't mean to knock the box off. So guys, we got the extra lids, the red and the gold. We'll go ahead and pull this piece out. And pretty much everything we already talked about. So we got another charging dock, the double magnetic guards, charging cord. Here is the stretch bracket, the other levers, a little bit of clipper oil, and of course we have a Gamma Stylecraft screwdriver in the bottom. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw a fusion blade on it. I know you guys like to see the clipper out of the box, but you guys know I hate the fade blade, and it's not really gonna change how the clipper cuts. You guys know I really rock with the fusion blade, and that is how I'm gonna recommend that you guys use it. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the fusion blade on there. I'll do a cut with it today, and you guys can check it out. All right guys, so here's the stretch bracket. We have the clipper. We're gonna go ahead and take these 2 screws off to take the blade off. Now we need to take the lever off, so we'll take this screw out. All right guys, and it already did it for me, just falling out. But we want to make sure that we take out the spring and the little clicker that goes in the notches. Now the bracket's going to slide right off the back. Slide the new one back on. Now we just need to take this blade off of the Ergo and we'll throw it on there. So now we need to put the lever back in. You guys see it has a notch at the top. Just hold that in, put that screw in. And guys, I did hear that Gamma is doing metal screw holes right here now. I don't know if you guys have had any issues with the plastic screws stripping out on this lever. You tighten it up and it strips out and then you can't get your lever tight. So I've heard that they're doing metal here now, so it's a lot more solid. So, all right, so you see we got the lever in. We can open and close it. Now we can take our blade. We're just gonna hold it on top, hold it down so it lines up with the holes. You guys see there is a double set of holes on here, so we can use a filthy mod if we choose to. I just get one of them started, start the second one. Now we want to close it up. We want to look at it, make sure it's not 2 zero gaps. And guys, the Rebel and this looks like it is pretty zero gapped. It's hard to tell. I can't get it much closer, guys. It won't focus, but you guys can't tell, but that is already pretty zero. So kind of hard to set, but basically we just want to make sure that it's straight. Now I'm going to hold it with my hand while I tighten the screws all the way down. And guys, when we're turning this, we're turning it clockwise So we want to hold the blade from going that way. It is going to want to turn the same direction. Make sure it's still in line. I'm looking down it. It's in line. Tighten the other one. Boom. You guys see it set up. So Gamma boosted with the fusion blade and the stretch bracket. We're going to get this thing charging, and then we'll check it out. So let's go ahead and do a haircut with it, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it after the cut. Alright, so I want to tell you guys my final thoughts on the boosted clipper. As expected, guys, you know I love the Rebel. This is basically the Rebel from the Gamma side. So I kind of had an idea I was going to like it, but guys, I like it even better than I thought. Obviously, it is brand new. It is much quieter. It does feel nice and smooth. The Rebel has been used obviously for quite a while now. I use it all day, every day. And so the boosted straight out of the box felt super nice. And of course, guys, you know I love the Fusion Blade. But if you guys are Fade Blade users, it will work just as well with that. It's just not my preference. Or you can also throw a taper blade on there. Now, guys, obviously the boosted is from Gamma, so you can grab it at GammaPlusNA.com. And the Rebel is from Stylecraft, so you can get it at StylecraftUS.com. And don't forget to use my code Seancutshair. You guys can save 10% on either of those or anything else on the whole website. I appreciate you guys watching my video on the Gamma Boosted, and I hope it was helpful for you guys if you were looking to learn about the Boosted. If you guys liked it, do me a favor, smash that thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like the Boosted or the Rebel, if that's something you guys are looking to cop. Make sure you guys subscribe. I have some more unboxings coming soon. I got another surprise coming from Stylecraft. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is, but it is coming soon. And I have some other clippers and trimmers coming, along with 7 or 8 tutorials that I've already recorded. So I got lots of content for you guys, so make sure you're subscribed and turn that bell on so you guys don't miss any content. As always, I appreciate all of you who watch my videos, and I'll catch you guys next time.